Plastic mesh bag production line. It produces canister mesh and flat mesh with many kinds of specification and purposes. The mesh can be used as mesh bag for air filter of top grade, electric equipment, breeding, at sea packaging for wine, fruit, vegetables, etc. The cost is half of weaving bag. It replaces traditional weaving bag. The mold is nitrogen treatment to ensure wear resistant. The dye now material is carbon steel. There are adjustable screws on the outer mold to adjust the gap of dye lip. The flange material is steel 45号. Production efficiency 15到45千克 H. Water tank under the machine. Head is moved by wheel. Pneumatic pickup unit with a press roller control. Automatically double working. Position winding machine. Without stop when changing. The working position, new. Style design makes sure easy and convenient operation.